Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2024 Ford F-150 XLT. Coming in this nice carbonized gray coloring, this vehicle's going to be powered by that lovely 3.5 liter V6 EcoBoost engine. Has the four-wheel drive capabilities. You got the tow hitch, rear park sensing, backup camera with your nice Bedliner, so you're not scraping up your truck with all your cargo necessities. Nice looking rims on here. We got gripped running boards on either side, keyless entry keypad, blind spot detection, turn light spotlight indicated with the side view camera. And moving to the front, we do get front park sensing, recovery hooks, license plate bracket, block heater, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside now, we can see this vehicle does stay up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black cloth interior, floor mats, carpet interior, plenty of door space in the back. Got some cup holders and storage, rear vents, 12 volt, and 2 USB seats with a 120 volt. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a power driver's seat with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of more door space up front. Powered windows, mirrors, locks, spotlights, tailgate lights, parking brake, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 29,920 kilometers. We got this nice leather-wrapped steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, cruise control. Nice little infotainment system here with your driving assist, my view, trip and fuel, gauges, off-road, towing, status info, navigation, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. To my right, we got a collapsible gear select, storage, cup holders, outlets. You do get your center console here as well with tons of more storage underneath. Drive modes, four-wheel drive with a little coin slot. There, it's coming back up. Pro trailer assist, heated front seats with dual climate, 12 volt, 120, storage above, below, on the dash, with a lovely powered rear window opener. We got our features for auto stop, auto start, and 360 view of the vehicle, where you can go for different camera angles, park times that you can turn on or off, hazard traction, and Ford's BlueCruise, which is Ford's highway self-driving. We do get our audio with AM, FM, Bluetooth, SiriusXM, phone controls. Well, we'll show you. There you go. Your phone controls are right there. You can see it's been previously connected. We do get navigation with this vehicle. Pretty nice, pretty easy to use. Search recent saved. Little red dot showing you where your vehicle's been. Have your audio open at the same time. Fave apps and messaging, email. Any apps you may download will show up right here with your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, settings, and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is B8357, and you can head on out to PG Ford or give us a call.